welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, I would like to say thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. In today's video, we will be doing another unboxing of our nether hair that was purchased on Luvme Hair. In my previous video about another hair that was purchased, I told you guys I purchased two. So this is the second unboxing. So this one I did not open because I opened the first one just to know which hair I was going to be using or unboxing. But since I already knew, and it's just two, I already knew what was in the other one. I did not open this one. I kept it for us to open together. All right. And before we go further, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel and support this family, okay? Be a part of this family. Join us. Support Team Ruth Timber RN. Yeah. So on this channel, we put out stuff on beauty, lifestyle, nursing. And currently, I'm also doing some travel nursing. So if you have questions about it, if you're a newbie or if you're interested in just learning about it and, you know, I'm going to make a video sometime soon telling you guys on, you know, a lot of the things that I have learned along the way, some mistakes I have made, and just to enlighten someone else out there who is thinking what I was thinking before I started. So yes, let's go into unboxing this hair. I'm going to open it up. Well, we're going to open it up together, okay? You know I like doing stuff for y'all. So I'm unboxing it right now. I'm not going to be nice to this bag. I'm just going to open it up, tear it open. And ta-da-da, this is the second box. You have seen this box already, similar box already if you have watched my previous video. So we're going to be a little quick about doing this because I was really detailed on the previous boxing. Unless there's some jewelry in here with trying to find. Who knows? Who knows if Luvme just wanted to surprise us? Who knows? So right now I'm trying to open this up. As you all know, it has this elastic band on there and this little cute bowl. It says Luvme. And my previous hair I bought from them, which I bought together with this one, I loved it. Yeah, so it still has the same writing in here. I guess it's their style. They put it in every hair that they send out. Toss this away. Comes with this bag. I guess to keep the hair in it. And this here says it is a 12-inch. I'm not sure if I purchased 12 or 14-inch. I will check what I purchased because I don't think I purchased the 12-inch or inches rather. I think I purchased one that was longer, so I don't know why I see 12 inches in here. And then another gift card. And this little bag that comes with, as usual, there are little perks in it. If for those who may not have time to go and watch the other video, this just has this teeth comb and brush, I guess, for your edges. And this little ribbon that goes around the hair once you style it. For the benefit of the doubt, for those who have not watched my other video, I'm going to open this up. Okay? But go and check that other video out. This is what it looks like. Cute little hairband that says Luvme. Here, affordable luxury wig. I don't know about affordable, but that's what it said. This video is in no way being sponsored by Luvme Hair. I'm just doing my own unboxing, and whatever you hear on here is my opinion about what I receive. Right now I'm trying to fix this together, make it as neat as it was. But anyway, I don't want to take too long on putting this. I'll just set this aside like I promised. I want this to be quicker than the first video. The first one, I was really super detailed about it, about the box and everything. But if you really, really want to see it, you can go and check it out as well. And this is the little mirror that came with it. Let me see if I can even see my face in it. Yes, it looks good. It's not those mirrors that make your face look, or your whatever in it look like 10 times bigger. No, I don't like those mirrors, by the way. I'm already getting big, so I don't want anything making me to look like or feel like I'm bigger than what I am. Okay? So yes, I set this aside as well. And this is some wig cap. And I guess this comes with every hair, because this does not do that style. This is a bang. So this just comes with it, I guess. Okay, let's open this here. This has this in here. And this one is just, this is Slick Highlighted Glueless Closure Bob Wig ×1. Which means I purchased just one. But this is what this looks like. It's a bob wig. And for this, we're going to try on quickly and then do the cutting of the bang, the lace rather. So they have the lace in the back as well. I don't know why they have it there. Maybe when I choose to lift my hair up. I don't know why they have it there. Anyway, let's try this on. This is what it looks like. This is just a 4x4 lace. Yeah. And it has this bang. It has this comb in the back. It has another comb here and here. Right, so it has 3 combs. The other one has 4 combs. The other wig I tried on. Let's do this. For this, I tucked the comb in, which I did not do with the other one. So I tucked the comb in. Let me grab us a archer comb and comb this baby out. I'm glad it came already colored. That's why I purchased it. I was so tempted. It has some black here, but I decided to use this instead, to choose this instead. Wanted some color in my life. Wanted to add some color. Well, this is not bad. I guess the 14-inch was going to be too long anyway. So everything happened for the best, you know. I'm hoping it did happen for the best, and I was in charge for 14 instead of 12. But we'll fix that. We'll check that out later, you know. I like the way it feels. Let me define this pad. Well, let me see if I can find the other one. I feel like this hair gonna be easier to manage than my first hair. My first hair is so super full. I guess it is for a reason. Let me turn to the back. See where it stops. Isn't it pretty? So that's what it looks like right now. And it kind of matches my top. This is another cute top I got from nowhere else but the Goodwill. You already know it. So Yes, and I'm gonna do a top like I said, try on hauls for all of my recent collections from the Goodwill. Once we have the time to do it. Here it looks a little frizzy. I don't know why, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, so let's do the cutting now, and then we can actually try it on. Let's cut this out. So we just got done cutting the front of it. Let's do the back. Just cut it a little bit lower. And we are back on board. I like glueless wig because I like to put on wig, but I don't like sleeping in wig. So glueless wig makes my life easy. I can throw it on anytime I want to rush out when my natural hair doesn't look nice enough. And just throw it out when I get back home, like seriously. So get this thing out of my hair. Get this thing out of my hair. I like doing that. There's beauty in doing that. I feel powered or empowered when I have on glueless wig because I can be whoever I want to be. I can be that all put together damsel, and in a second I look like a beggar. Just saying, it gives me the flexibility to, to be whoever I want to be, to look super nice one minute and so super cute actually one minute and look homeless the next. Yeah. Yep, this is what this looks like. Let's enjoy the view. I can just picture when I bleached the lace to my desired skin tone. There's something crazy right here going on. I don't know what it is. Tell me if I'm wrong or not. But there's some craziness going on right here. It is not here. So hopefully it's just in my head and I just want perfection, but nothing is perfect. And I like it. I like the way it curls in. That's how I wanted my bang to look. Overall, I can say I'm quite satisfied with my purchase from Luvme here. And we'll see how we do from here on. So far, so good. It looks nice. It sure does. It looks nice. After I bleach it, let me see. I can do a middle part, I think, right here. But they claim that they did the plucking here, blah, blah, blah. So that's why it's more leaning towards this side. But you know your girl not going to live by this whole thing. I'm going to pluck out another side where I can use my hair. Maybe I want it more towards this end. I can do whatever I want to do with this hair because it is now mine. Isn't it, guys? So once you purchase it, it's yours, you know. That's my hair. I'm a girl, I'm a blonde now. Or at least for this second. All right. No, it looks nice when this is like this. There is something crazy right here. I'm not crazy. There is something crazy about this hair right here. I don't know what they did here, but I'm not feeling it right there. But it's all right. Let me see if I pile from this side and cover that up. See what I'm going to feel about it. See what I'm going to be feeling about it. Oh, don't you dare go in my eye. Don't you dare go in my eye. Oh, now you want to be messy, don't you? You want to be messy, don't you? Well, every mistake is a style. See? Every mistake is a style. That's your girl for you. We're gonna do a lot of pretty stuff with this hair, guys. Like, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it makeable. Whatever that means. Finally got my blonde bands. Yes. Let's take a venture. They said my journey, whatever, with enjoy your, what did they say? It's on the flow. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. So, yes, I'm going to make sure I enjoy it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, y'all. Thank you all for staying with me to the end of this video. Tell me which look you liked most. And as always, thank you for all your love and support. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel and join this family. Okay? All right. I will see you guys in another video. Bye for now.